Hi, I'm Sabrina from Inglés con Kilian. I work with my husband Kilian in Alicante, delivering English training to companies and professionals in groups and one-to-one. And we also have an online membership where people can improve their English by themselves. If you want more information, have a look below. Today I'm going to look at the most common gerunds and infinitives after the verbs. There are many, many, many of these, but today just the most common ones, okay? So after begin, we usually use infinitive. I'm going to use the verb to do as an example, okay? So I begin to do my homework. After the verb to forget, we usually use infinitive or gerund, depending on the situation, okay? I forget to go to the shop after work is present or future. And I forget going to the shop means I did go to the shop, but I don't remember doing it, okay? Okay, with forget, we use infinitive or gerund, but the meaning changes with each one. Forget and remember are similar in this respect, okay? So if you say, I forget to go, it means you did not remember to go. If you say you forget going, it means that you did go, but you don't remember the action. Okay? So yesterday I forgot to go to the shop. So today I don't have bread because I didn't go to the shop. Yesterday I forget going to the shop. So I went to the shop, but I don't remember the action. Okay? The same with remember. Yesterday, I remembered to go to the shop. So today I do have bread. So I remembered to do the action. But yesterday, I remember going to the shop. I have a memory of the action of going to the shop. Does that make sense? So it needs a little practice and it can be confusing, but be careful with it. So keep is with the gerund. Keep going, continue what you're doing. I have to keep going, okay? Need with infinitive. I need to go to the shop. Regret can be with both, but the meaning changes, okay? So I regret going to the party means I wish I didn't go to the party. Or I regret not going to the party means I wish I did go to the party. We use regret also to say I'm sorry. For example, I regret to tell you, or I regret to inform you that you didn't get the post. It's more formal. It's used to reject. Okay? I regret to inform you that you didn't get the post. The next one, to start. Start to go or start going. You can use both, okay? I need to start to do some homework, or I need to start doing some homework. Stop with ing. People often make this mistake. Let me explain. Stop going to the cinema because you're spending all my money, for example. Or stop smoking. Okay? So stop smoking is do not smoke in the future. Do not smoke anymore. If you say stop to smoke, it means you're going to stop what you're doing in this moment to have a cigarette. Okay, so stop smoking. And try, you can use both, but the meaning is a little different. For example, try to go to the shop after work. Means make the effort. Intentar. But if you say try going, it means it's advice. You should try this. Probarlo. Okay? So try doing it like this, okay? So slightly different meanings. I hope they're helpful. There are many, many more. Have a Google and have a look around if you want to study this a little bit more or review this video again. If you enjoyed that, please hit the subscribe button and you will receive notifications of future videos from us. And also, if you would like your own free ebook, very practical step-by-step instructions on how to improve your English by yourself, click the link below and it will bring you straight there. Good luck with your English. See you soon.